Assalamualaikum. Hello. As you know, tomorrow is Eid, so that's why we are decorating the wall. And I'm so excited for the Eid. We have mostly pasted our banner and our stars and moons in the balloons, like the balloon. And lastly, I need to make this, and then we'll be done. And after this, I will put some mehendi for her, my mom, and I already put some. So I don't think I need.
We are done making that, and now we need to paste it on the wall, this that we just made. And this, I'm not sure what we actually call these things, but we have made it, and now we have stick it on the wall. Next up, we will stick it beside the balloons, this side and that side also. This is the final result. I really like how it turned out. It looks really good, like really good. All the balloons and the banners together match totally. And then we thought about, why don't we add some lights? So we had these lanterns and we just stick it there. It looks more better than before. I absolutely love it. I'm going to click so many pictures there. I really love it so much. And then like I told, I'm going to put mehendi for my bunu and ammo, but I'm starting with my ammo and then I'll go to my bunu. First, I will start with her right hand and the back side of the hand. The back side, I'll keep it really simple because my ammo always has to work with her right hand, and then the mehendi will go away so soon. That's why I'll keep it very simple, like stars and moon. That's all. And the other left hand, I'm going to do the front side, and that one I'm going to make a better design. Yeah, a big one. So I started with the thumb. I always start with the thumb whenever I'm putting mehendi because I feel comfortable by that. And then I moved on the fingers and did all the designs and all, like different designs. And sorry that I'm really slow at putting mehendi, so yeah. But then eventually I put the mehendi. This is not the final result. I will finish and of course I'll show you what the final result is. But before that, I was keep on adding some new things to the design because I felt like I should add a little more. And then I added like these hangings from the moon. And I thought about adding some little more. And then little diamonds, and then we're done. That's it. And then for the left hand, my ammo was really tired and her neck was really paining, so she lied down on the bed and I took her hand and I was putting her mehendi because if she's tired, I don't want to make her sit down. And this is how the right hand is. It was really nice because it was really late at night, so I really needed to finish it. That's why I just like put the mehendi. Somehow I just hurried up and put it, but it turned out really nice, except for that in the middle I messed it up a little by mistakenly. I put my hand on top and then you got it. Yes, I just ruined it. But this is how both of the mehendis turned out. It was really so good. I loved making these two, and this is how it turned out.
Guys, right now it's 12:19 p.m. and that means it's the next day. So happy Eidmubarak to everyone. May Allah grant all your wishes and you may get whatever you wish for, and happy Eidmubarak. I'll see you next day because it's really night. I need to sleep and I need to wake up early tomorrow, take a bath and read the Eid prayers. So yeah, I need to learn. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Hello. So today is Eid. Oh, and first Eid Mubarak to everyone. But Eid Mubarak. Yeah. So today is Eid, as we all know. Today is Friday, 21st. Yeah, Friday 21st, and the whole night I couldn't sleep due to excitement. I was so excited for Eid. I was like, oh, it's just gonna be Eid. Oh, it's just gonna be Eid. But yeah, not only me, my parents, even her, she slept well. But my parents also did not sleep, neither me. Of course, it was so much excitement to handle at once, but yeah, finally we have dressed out in the dresses that we bought. This was her one and this was my one. I love my dress. I wore the black one. I told you I like the white one and the pink one, but if you don't know me, I always start with my least favorite. So anyway, I like how it turned out. This is so good. And right now we are just going to the masjid to read our Eid prayer. And yeah, in here the namaz is so early, like we need to get up so early for the prayer. I woke up, I was just like, I did not sleep, but I woke up at 3 o'clock and I think 4:30. And right now we are going to the masjid to read the prayer, and we'll see you after that.
This is the mehendi that I put last night, and this is how it turned out. Like, it's so good. Can you see? It was not looking so good last night, but now it looks so good. And this is the one that I put for my sister and then myself.
Eid Mubarak.
أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله
We have now finished our Eid prayer. Successfully, we have finished our Eid prayer, and it was so crowded. Like, so many people came for the prayer. I was so happy to see so many people there. But one more thing was there, that I did not get space to sit because it was really packed up, but it was alright. It was also an experience. Everybody got to sit and we all took the prayer together, and it was really nice. Well, After this, what else we did on Eid will show in our next video. And also stay tuned, because if you want to know how we will spend our Eid, then of course stay tuned. And mostly that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to your channel if you are new. Hello there, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Masalama.